Hi everybody, Justin and Lily here for the Buffy comforter review.
The Buffy comforter is everything you're looking for in a comforter and then some. One of the nice things about the Buffy comforter is that when it was designed, they had Mother Nature in mind. The sustainable aspects of this comforter are seen from top to bottom. The outer shell features a lyocell fabric. This is 100% natural and made from the wood pulp of a eucalyptus tree. Sourced from Australia, these silky eucalyptus fibers have amazing properties that make it silky and soft, as well as more cooling than cotton and even hypoallergenic. The inner fill of the Buffy is made with eco-fiber recycled PET bottles. Using an amazing process, these bottles are transformed into super soft and fluffy fill. This cloud-like spun fiber is generously filled into the outer shell to create an amazing product unlike any other, even using a luxurious 300 thread count to make it that much more premium. All of these amazing materials also aid in keeping the comforter cleaner naturally. The eucalyptus fibers naturally repel mold, mildew, and dust mites, as well as other microbes and pathogens, meaning less washing for you. Although this comforter can be machine washed as well as dry cleaned. Regardless of the design of this comforter, the warmth and coolness is perfect too. You never get too hot nor too cold, it's always just right, making it ideal for even couples who have different sleeping preferences. A truly unique thing about this brand is the fact that you get to try the Buffy comforter before even buying it. This may sound a little confusing at first, but it's as simple as it gets. A Buffy comforter will be shipped to you free of charge, and you have 30 days to decide if you want to keep it or not. If you like it, you'll be charged and it's yours to enjoy forever. However, if you decide it isn't for you, all you have to do is send it back for free. No strings attached.
So one thing that we really liked about the Buffy is it's super comfortable, right, Lily? It's comfy. Yeah. It's just a really comfortable fabric. It's very soft. It's almost got kind of a silky-ish type feel to it. You can see that we just took it out of the box. So you do have a little bit of wrinkling that's going on. I imagine that that's gonna definitely dissipate over time. What do you say? Yeah, Lily really loves it. Usually it's really hard for her to actually settle down during a review, but she just liked the feel of this. Are you swimming? You're flying. You're flying like a cloud on the Buffy. So, basically the biggest things about this, other than just the sheer comfort of it, is the fact that the fiber fill inside comes from recycled plastic bottles, so that's really cool. It's also going to use some eucalyptus in the top cover, so it's going to be more of a natural material that runs through this, and anytime you can be more natural with any of the materials that you're going to use, it's just going to be a plus. So overall, we like the comfort of this. I know that this is actually going to be going on Lily's bed because she just got a queen size mattress and she really loves this so much. So we can't wait till she can try this thing out, and then maybe we can get back to you to give you a little bit more insight. So also go back over to oursleepguide.com and check out the full Buffy comforter review on this. We have some real detailed information, and that's where we can give you just better insight and answer questions that you may have on it. The other thing is check out for coupons and just check out for some of the different pictures that we have on there as well. People usually like to comment on those. So any other questions, just leave me a comment below. Give us a thumbs up if you like it. Thank you for Lily for joining the video. I know that she enjoyed it, and it does come with this sleep mask, and it's gonna have some lavender that's inside of it. Lily, do you like this? Yes, okay. So thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day, bye.